She make it herself.
Yeah, those are cool.
65 baht.
65 baht.
สีนี่ก้อนสอบสีใด
อันนี้เหรอ
ราคาเดียวกัน
65 65งามขนาดนั้นแม่สารเองหมดเลยจ้ะ
แม่เส้นเพื่อนไปมา
เก่ง
ทำทีเดียวเย็บ
อ๋อ
Those are huge. Will that fit you?
อันนี้เหรอ
นี่ตัวราคาเดียวกัน
อันนี้กี่บาท
นี่ร้อยเดียวหรือ
ฮะ
นี่ร้อยเดียวอ่ะ
100 บาท
นี่ก่อนแบบหนึ่งนี่จะทำแบบ
For work in the garden
It's pretty cool. I like them.
100 baht.
I think we should get a couple because that is great for the sunlight for the hot season.
Yeah. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 ร้อยสาวอันนี้ก็60หมดกับแม่ นี่นะ
ที่ติ๊กแกบอ่ะ
This one 65.
ต้องไปใส่สายติ๊กแกบ
Make it. We got a new hat. It's fun. Look at this one. So our neighbor made it not far from here. So we try to support her, but also it's fun to the sun. It's like a big umbrella. So protecting sun. I mean, but up to you for fun. You know, Thai people we wear this a lot during the Songkran festival. We're gonna add tamarind paste or tamarind sauce. You see this one? See the tamarind part? You see the baby one here? You see the young one here?
Yeah.
Basically, you can eat it like to dip with the salt. Can you pick one for me?
You want this one?
Yeah, thank you. You see the one you were asking me about tamarind paste?
Like,
Mm.
you can just eat it?
Mm.
No way.
We have, you know, Thai people maybe eat the sour fruit. I will make dipping sauce for you.
Oh,
Yeah,
crap.
you know the chili flake, sugar, salt. You know, like in Mexico.
Yeah,
they
yeah,
have
yeah,
those.
yeah.
But we also can do with coconut sugar, shrimp paste, and cheese. Like
You
that
don't
one.
like it? It's good.
High vitamin. This is the bird actually from this one, but a lot of our chili is missing here because the bird eat it. You see? See the dot? When the color red, and the birds see it, they come and get it and eat it. Yeah. So this is a different variety. This is tinda. You know, chili the smallest, spiciest, and the red hotter than the green. You like to try the spicy one? You like spicy?
Yes, but
Yeah.
kind of scary.
Yeah. You wanna try?
Yes.
Which color?
I,
Don't cry.
I might.
Cry quiet. Don't cry loud. How bad?
Let's look careful.
It's coming up.
Yes.
It's coming up. I can see the pink color. The tea. Turn to red.